Hi guys, I'm showing you how to replace the filter cartridge in your general 1A-25 canister filter here. Don't make too much fun of my wrench. It was just what was available down in the basement here, and then it kept me from running out to the shop, so that's important. So gotta be grateful for what she got. Okay, there we go. Now that's cool. That's something I wanted to show. And then here's your gasket. You're gonna have a gasket down here, and then you're also gonna have a gasket on the bolt, and you'll get a new one of them in your pack. So that's good. And I'm pretty glad I did pull this off, because that's in bad shape. So I got some stay dry there. I'll clean up that mess here in a minute or two. I'll show you here. The filter itself is it's a Mitgo filter that I got at Ace Hardware today, and it fits all these different types of filter housings. And I got two because I have two tanks down here, and it's supposed to get really cold in a couple days, and I just wanted to go over everything. So here we go. Like I said, this here guy will come off, and that's what this one's for. And then the other big one will go on the housing here. So we'll get this up here where we can see this. Now, you'll see in here, this is really dirty. I definitely got to clean that up. I don't want that sludge, you know, making its way into my furnace. That's the whole reason why we do this. And this is nothing. It's nothing too hard. Really should probably have some rubber gloves on here, but I skipped that step. And I don't recommend you do it, because this stuff, it doesn't smell the greatest. But there you see that carburetor cleaner, it cuts right through that sludge really nice. So they say if you have too much sludge build up in your tank from years and years of fuel oil, that you can put some kerosene in and it'll break it up. And I can definitely see that, because this didn't take hardly any time at all. So that's cool. Alrighty. And just so you can see this again, this filter was in there, but these are the same replacement. So, and this thing's pretty gummed up. So we'll go right in there, push it down, you'll feel it seat. And then we have our new gasket for the top. Put that guy on, and then our bolt, we have already changed our, clean the threads up here a little bit, they're a little hogged up. And that's it. We'll put it over here, use my fancy wrench. I know you guys are jealous of my fancy wrench. I never figured I would even use that wrench. I think my mom got it for me for Christmas one year. And I've actually used it a good bit down here when I needed a tool. And I mean, it's a nice little combo deal. Alright guys, this is about it for this video. Like I said, nothing to be scared of here. It's easy to do on the fly. So pick yourself up a filter. They're literally $3 a piece. I sure would want to pay somebody to do this for me. Alright guys, have a good day. Mad Mike's Garage.